I want to become a millionaire. Can you tell me how to become a millionaire in just 60 seconds? Because I only have a minute to do this.
Okay. So I'm going to give credit to a mentor I had many years ago, a guy named John Childers.
Okay.
And this is going to sound dorky, but it's completely true. The easiest way to become a millionaire in real estate is to buy a $1 million piece of property and rent it out to your tenants on a 30-year fixed. In 30 years, they will have bought you a property, you'll owe nothing on it, and you'll be a millionaire. If that property never goes up in value, you made $1 million. Now, the reality is the property has probably gone up in value.
Of course.
So you bought a $1 million property, and let's say 30 years from now it's worth $2 million, but your tenants paid it off, and guess what? Now you're worth $2 million. Maybe not the answer you're looking for. There's literally like 50 different things you can do. There's so many different ways. That's the one that just comes off the top of my mind.
I really didn't think you'd even be able to answer that question, so I'm pretty amazed. Thank you.